Hi, I'm Griffin with Sheartak Tools, and in this video I will be going over how to replace the cutter head on your Skil 96 T1 electric planer. Here is a test cut using the original cutter head from the machine. First, remove the two screws which hold on the dust guard, as well as the dust guard itself. Next, remove the two caps which hold in the carbon brushes, and remove the brushes themselves. This will allow you to remove the motor later on in the process. The pulley guard should then be removed by removing the single flathead screw which secures it. With the pulley guard removed, you can now remove the 4 screws which are attached to the pulley's frame. At this stage, you can also remove the belt as well as the large pulley wheel. The frame can now be removed either by hand or by wedging it with a flathead screwdriver. The last step in disassembly is to wedge out the old cutter head. With the machine disassembled, this is a good opportunity to clean off any and all the parts you've removed. We recommend using WD-40 and a cloth to clean off the parts. Compressed air can also be used to remove excess sawdust that may have accumulated. Now you're ready to install your new cutter head. We recommend wearing gloves at this stage as the blades will be extremely sharp. And with the new cutter head installed, the pulley frame is ready to be replaced. Next, you should remount the 4 screws to secure the pulley frame in place. You should now reattach the large pulley wheel. Now, reattach the belt to the 2 pulley wheels. If the belt is too tight, you can use either a screwdriver or a wrench to leverage it. Next, refasten the pulley guard to the machine. The last step in reassembly will be to attach the dust guard once again. With your new cutter head installed, you'll notice your machine will run a lot smoother, a lot quieter, and will produce much smaller wood chips. We hope this video has been useful to you in replacing your cutter head on your Skil planer. Thank you so much for watching, and happy woodworking!